Oh.
I went to a department store and made an 8-year mistake.
I went to a furniture store and made an 8-year mistake.
Oh.
Don't make an 8-year mistake. Come to Mattress Firm, America's #1 mattress.
Did we have the hiccups? These are very fun, aren't they?
Moved the ball deep into Charger territory for Seattle.
What's gonna happen? Yeah. Oh.
That was excellent coverage by Maxwell.
No.
Did
No.
Dombrowski jump on the top?
Yeah.
About the lateness of the hit?
Yeah, that'll get
You
some
happy?
flag every time.
Oh, you're not happy?
And he looked so innocent.
Oh.
So the Seahawks will have the ball at the 14-yard line when we come back. Chargers on top of it.
I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.